Okay, this is problem 4.7.15. The problem says that a silo is a structure that is shaped like a right circular cylinder with a half sphere on top. The surface area S of a silo of height h and radius r is given by this formula right here. And where h is the height of the entire silo. And then they tell us a container of tennis balls is silo-shaped with a height of 7.5 inches and a radius of 1.25 inches. And they want us to find the surface area of the container. And we're told to use 3.14 for pi and round to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so I didn't draw a picture here of a silo. I hope most people have a picture in their mind of what a tennis ball can looks like. Basically, we're working with this formula and plugging in the values that are given to us here. Okay, so they're telling us that the height is 7.5 inches and that the radius is 1.25 inches. Okay, and for pi, we're going to go ahead and use 3.14. So this is a matter of plugging these values in and then just doing our math here. So when I plug these in, I have 2 times pi, so that's 3.14, times r, which is 1.25, times the height, which is 7.5. Okay, then we're going to add to that pi times r squared, so that's 3.14 times, again, our radius here is 1.25, and we're squaring that. Okay, so what we need to remember in this problem is that our order of operations are that we're going to do exponents first before we do the multiplication. And then over here, everything's just being multiplied. Okay, so if I take 2 times 3.14 times 1.25 times 7.5, then I get this, so 58.875. That number is coming from multiplying all of those numbers together. And then right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 1.25 and square it, and then I'll multiply by 3.14. So 1.25 squared is 1.5625. I'm going to leave that in my calculator and multiply by 3.14. So I get 4.906. Nope, that looks wrong. I think I hit the addition. Let me try it again. 1.25 squared. We get 1.5625 and times 3.14. No, that's right. I don't know why I thought that was wrong. And then we're adding these two together. So adding the 58.875, and we get S is equal to 63. And they asked us to round to the nearest hundredth. So the nearest hundredth would be rounding right there. Since this is a 1, we're going to keep it where it is. So 63.78. And our units here would be inches squared since we're talking surface area. And that's it in that problem.